Hello, this is Mr. Reyes, here to show you that math is a skill that you can learn. Now, if you are able to do 2x minus 5 equals 11, then there is no reason why you shouldn't be able to do 2x minus 5 is less than 11. It's just like if it were an equal sign. Just make sure you remember that less than sign when you write x is less than certain number as your answer. So to begin solving this, we need to do, at some point we have to do the opposite of both these operations. We see there's a subtracting 5. At some point we're going to need to add 5. There's times 2 for the x, so at some point we're going to have to divide both sides by 2. We are going to do the deal with the subtraction first. If we think about the order of operations backwards, then that would come first. So we're going to address that by saying add 5 to both sides. These cancel out, and that makes 16. 2x is less than 16. Now, since 2 is getting multiplied by x, we need to divide it. Dividing this side by 2 and this side as well. X is less than 8. That's our final answer. Okay, that was a simple one. This one we've got a negative number in there. So same as before, we are doing SAD/MEP for order of operations. That's PEMDAS backwards. And that means we're going to subtract first. So this 2, we need to do the opposite. Minus 2 instead of plus 2. Do it to both sides. End up with negative 3. X is greater than or equal to 6. And now we're going to divide by this negative 3 to get the x alone. And that means, since we're dividing by that negative, don't forget, you got to flip that sign. So x is less than or equal to negative 2. One more. Hopefully I am able to finish. Now we are going to do the negative 4x minus 1 is greater than negative 9. We're going to add 1 to both sides first. Hopefully that's the easy part by now. Negative 9 plus 1 is negative 8. So now we divide both sides by negative 4. X, we've got to flip this sign. It's going to be less than instead of greater than. Negative 8 divided by negative 4 is positive 2. So it's just like doing an equation, except if you divide or multiply by a negative at some point, you have to flip that sign. If you remember that, it's really like the same.